welcome to Vlogmas Day 2023. Today is Christmas Eve, and today I'm going to go to Walmart. I'm actually going to do curbside pickup because I ordered like 20 cans of ice cream, or like buckets, I don't know. So I'm going to go pick that up really quick. And this time I'm not going to time max. I'm just going to give him this, and hopefully this keeps him busy, and hopefully he doesn't get out before I come back home.
Hello.
Hi.
From Maryland?
Yes.
Perfect. Alrighty, and it looks like there was going to be 1, 2, 3 substitutions. Are you aware of that? And you're okay with those?
Yes, that's fine.
Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and sign it. I'll get you loaded up.
Alright, thank you. Okay, so I am home, and I am a little hot, to be honest. I mean, I do have 2 long sleeves. I have this shirt with an alien eating pizza that matches my beanie. Super cute. I feel like it's too hot to wear a beanie right now. But anyways, I'm gonna show you everything that I got. It's pretty much just snacks. So the first thing that I got is some 7-Up. This is a 12-pack lemon lime flavor soda. And I got it because I'm going to be taking this to Mexicali because we're going to be spending Christmas with my boyfriend's family. I'm kind of disappointed that I'm not going to be spending it with my family this year again. It's going to be like 3 years in a row that I haven't spent it with my family, so it sucks. I also got 3 little cheesecakes because I'm going to be taking it to Mexicali. I got the variety cheesecake, so I got this one. And then I also got this one. Wait, I think this one's the same as this one. Yeah, these are the same. What the heck? I had ordered 2 different kinds. Anyways, I got those 2. And then I also got this one. It's just strawberry swirl cheesecake. So I'm going to be taking all these to Mexicali. That's just like 40 minutes away. So we're gonna go and come back that same day. I kind of wish my family would celebrate Christmas on Christmas Day. That way on Christmas Eve I could celebrate it with my boyfriend's family, and then on Christmas Day I could spend it with my family, and then switch it off like that another year. Like my family celebrates it on Christmas Eve and then my boyfriend's family celebrates it on Christmas Day, but I'm pretty sure no one will want to do that. Anyways, let's see. I got some petite quiche. I really like eating these for breakfast. I just toss them in the oven for 14 minutes and that's it. Okay, now on to the best part. I got some strawberry shortcake ice cream. We got the Blue Bunny double strawberry swirl ice cream. My boyfriend wanted that kind. And then we got cookies and cream ice cream. This is a great value one. They didn't have anything else. And then we got the Blue Bunny super fudge brownie. I think this is the one that they replaced for the chocolate chip because I ordered chocolate chip and they didn't have chocolate chip. So they replaced it with this one. And then I ordered the mango habanero coconut ice cream because I thought that was interesting. So I wanted to try it out because habanero ice cream, that sounds interesting. So we're going to give this a try. Let's see if it's spicy. And then I got some Great Value butter pecan ice cream. And then we also got the Great Value Neapolitan ice cream. My hands are freezing now. I believe that's all of the ice cream that I got. The reason why we got ice cream is because we were watching Home Alone, and since Kevin was eating ice cream, we started craving ice cream, so we just got all this ice cream to eat on Christmas Eve. Anyways, I'm going to be putting all of this away and fixing my hair after I remove this beanie because I'm hot. And then I'm going to eat breakfast because I haven't ate breakfast and it's already 10:24. Okay, you guys, so I got this box yesterday. And these are the presents that my family in Colorado sent me, so I'm super excited. And I did get this box yesterday, but since I didn't vlog yesterday because I was feeling really crappy, that's why I didn't vlog. I had the biggest migraine in my entire life. My face was boiling. I felt like my eyes were gonna pop out of my face. It was insane. So I didn't really feel excited to open this box, but now I feel a little bit better. I still have a migraine, but I feel a little bit better. So anyways, I'm going to open it up so I could put the presents under the tree. I'm really excited. Aw, that's cute. So they sent me a picture of my nephew and my niece. How cute is this? Look at this, you guys. So cute. So cute. I love it. And we got stockings. This one is for my boyfriend from my mom. Okay, so I already put some of the presents down here. There's some there, there's some there. So cute. I can't wait to open the presents. And I can't wait to see everyone open their presents. So anyways, I'm getting a huge migraine again. I don't know why. Oh, it feels so good to be in the dark. Okay, so I ended up changing my shirt. I'm wearing a SpongeBob shirt. I changed because I feel like it's freaking hot in this house. Right now, I'm going to be editing Vlogmas Day 21, so I could upload it. It's going to be a short one, I think. And then, I think I'm going to wash my makeup brushes because I still haven't done that. Okay, so I just finished editing the Vlogmas Day 21, and I lied. It's not 10 minutes long, it is 19 minutes long. Anyways, right now I'm going to be washing my makeup brushes really quick because I'm breaking out a lot and maybe my brushes are dirty. So I'm going to be washing them. These are my face brushes. And I might throw this one away because look at that, you guys. It's like falling apart. Like literally falling apart. I don't know if I have more. If I have another one of these, I'll probably toss this. But I'm not sure. Okay, so I am uploading the video on YouTube already. My boyfriend is home already, so we are about to go home. We're about to go home. We're about to go to Subway, and hopefully my favorite sandwich artist is there because I only like how one person makes my sandwiches. That person just sees me and she knows what sandwich I like or what sandwich I want. Like I don't even have to order my sandwich anymore. Are you ready?
Yeah, I already told that.
Here's my boyfriend.
Hello guys. No.
I think the lens is dirty.
Oh really?
Yeah.
No gifts. Nothing good.
Really? Well, my other Christmas present did not arrive on time, but it's okay. I shall survive. So we do have to get our food from a gas station. This is the Love's gas station. It's a truck stop. Alright you guys, so we are home. So my sandwich person didn't make my sandwich. It was the other person. But anyways, we already got our chicken sandwiches. Well, I got chicken sandwich. What did you give it?
Steak sandwich.
Steak sandwich.
And a soup.
And a soup.
Loaded potato.
Loaded potato. Told you he didn't like my chicken soup because there's still chicken soup with a lot of potato. So it's loaded potato soup. And they got hot Cheetos. Anyways, we're gonna be eating while we watch. We're gonna watch Home Alone 3. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Okay, so we are about to eat 1, 2, 4, 6. You're coughing and we haven't even started eating ice cream. We are going to eat 6 types of ice cream right now. So we have butter pecan. Well, I already showed you guys the flavors. Brownie, cookies and cream, strawberry shortcake.
Like
this is what adulting looks like.
This is almost like going to Rite Aid and getting ice cream.
Yep. But we got all this for like $6, and then if you go to Rite Aid, you pay for one cone $6.
Yeah. Budgeting.
Yep.
That's what adulting is, right?
Yep, adulting. If you want ice cream, buy the whole bucket. Okay, so look at my beautiful, delicious ice cream, you guys. And then, and then look at my boyfriend's ice cream. He served himself very little ice cream. And then he's so like, hey, you serve yourself more ice cream than me.
I'll get seconds.
Yeah, he's gonna get seconds. We didn't get cones because we didn't want to eat that much fat food. So that's why we just decided to eat it in bowls.
I wonder what's worse.
Right now the ice cream feels really good for me because my face is really hot because of the migraine. So anyways, we're going to be eating this and we're still watching Home Alone 3. We're almost done with that movie. And then we're probably gonna play video games after, huh? Anyways, I think I'm going to be ending the vlog here because we're literally not gonna do anything else right now besides eat ice cream. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.